break, continue, and pass in Python to make your loops smarter and cleaner. Let's unlock these powerful tools in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you'll discover how to take control of your loops using break, continue, and pass. These little keywords can make your code smarter and way more flexible. Let's dive in and see how they work. First up, let's talk about break. This one lets you exit a loop early as soon as a certain condition is met. Super handy when you don't want to go through every single item. Here, we're looping from 0 up to 4. If I ever equals 4, we hit break and the loop stops right there. Inside the loop, we're just printing out the value of I each time. Let's see what gets printed before the loop breaks. Now let's check out continue. This one skips just the current round of the loop and jumps straight to the next one. It's perfect when you want to ignore certain values. In this loop, if I is 2, we use continue to skip printing it. And if I is 4, we break out of the loop completely. So we're mixing both keywords here. Again, we're printing I each time, unless we've skipped it or broken out of the loop. Let's see how that changes the output. All right, now let's talk about pass. This one's like a placeholder. It literally does nothing, but it keeps your code from breaking when you need an empty block. Here, we've got an if statement that's always true, but instead of doing anything, we just use pass. It's a way to say, I'll come back and fill this in later. So nothing actually happens inside that if block. It's just there to show you how pass works. Finally, we print a message to let you know we finished the if block without doing anything inside it. Let's run the code and check out the results together. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.